Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how you can use Stand Store on Pinterest. Let's dive right in. Here's how. First, you'll need to get the link to your Stand Store. Now, open the Pinterest app or website and log into your account. Tap on the plus button located at the bottom, and then select the pin option to create a new pin. Now, select a high-quality image of your product and tap on the next button. On the next page, write the information about your product, such as the name and description. In the link field, paste the link to your Stand Store. This will direct users to your store when they tap on the pin. Once you've added the link and filled in all the details, tap on the Create button to publish your pin. Once your pin is published, tap on the View button to watch it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.